In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best travel pillows. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best travel pillows. Number 5. AirComfy Daydreamer Travel Neck Pillow. The AirComfy Daydreamer Travel Neck Pillow takes the hassle out of inflating your pillow with its no-blow inflation pump. Just press the built-in pump, and in under a minute, you have a perfectly supportive travel pillow. Need to adjust the firmness? Simply release a little air with the quick release valve for personalized comfort. Plus, the raised ergonomic design keeps your head in a natural position, preventing neck kinks and discomfort, so you can wake up feeling refreshed after your journey. Unlike bulky memory foam pillows, the Daydreamer is ultra lightweight and packs down small, fitting into its included stuff sack and clipping easily onto your bag. The soft, washable micro-velvet cover ensures a fresh, cozy feel every trip. And its breathable fabric keeps you cool, avoiding the heat buildup common with traditional travel pillows. Whether you're on a long-haul flight or a road trip, this pillow delivers the support you need, without the bulk. Number 4. Bcozzy Travel Neck Pillow. If you often struggle with your head falling forward while sleeping, the Bcozzy Travel Pillow is the solution you need. Its patented double support system provides head, neck, and chin support, making it one of the most versatile pillows on the market. Whether you prefer sleeping with your head to the side, leaning forward, or a mix of both, the Bcozzy adapts to your needs. It's available in 2 sizes to ensure a perfect fit and features a breathable fabric shell for maximum comfort. Unlike bulky U-shaped pillows that push your head forward, the Bcozzy has a flat back design, preventing strain on your neck and shoulders. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and fully machine washable, making it an excellent companion for frequent travelers. Whether you're on a long flight, a car ride, or just lounging at home, this pillow ensures you get the rest you deserve. Number 3. Cabeau TNE S3 Travel Neck Pillow. The Cabeau TNE S3 Travel Neck Pillow is engineered for superior comfort with ergonomic memory foam and an adjustable chin strap that provides 360-degree head and neck support. Unlike traditional pillows, this one features head catch technology, which prevents your head from falling forward, so no more uncomfortable bobblehead moments. Plus, the open neck design allows for airflow, keeping you cool and comfortable no matter how long your journey. But what truly sets this pillow apart is its patented seat straps, which securely attach to any chair. Whether it's an airplane seat, car seat, or even your office chair. This prevents slouching and ensures perfect head and spine alignment, reducing strain and discomfort. And when it's time to pack up, the pillow compresses down to 1/4 of its size in the included travel bag. You also get premium earplugs to block out noise, making this the ultimate travel companion. Number 2. Trtl Travel Pillow. The Trtl Travel Pillow isn't your traditional U-shaped design. It's an innovative, scientifically proven solution for better sleep on flights. Featuring a hidden internal support system, this pillow keeps your head and neck in an ergonomic position, preventing stiffness and discomfort. Wrapped in a super soft fleece with plush cushioning, it's designed to keep you cozy while you nap. Best of all, it's incredibly lightweight and compact, weighing only 4.5 ounces, so you won't be carrying around unnecessary bulk. Unlike memory foam pillows, the Trtl is machine washable and quick drying, making it easy to keep fresh for every trip. If you struggle to find a comfortable sleeping position while traveling, this pillow will change the game. Simply wrap it around your neck, adjust the support, and drift off into a restful sleep. It's the perfect blend of portability, softness, and stability. Number 1. Travelrest Nest Ultimate Memory Foam. If you're looking for a pillow that delivers optimal neck support, the Travelrest Memory Foam Travel Pillow is a top-tier choice. This pillow is designed with a unique angled back that stays flat against your seat, preventing the common issue of pushing your head forward. The plush memory foam wraps around your neck, offering firm yet cozy support that keeps you from waking up with soreness. Plus, with its non-slip grip and compact storage design, it's perfect for travel convenience. What sets this pillow apart is its thermosensitive memory foam, which molds to your neck and shoulders for customized comfort. Whether you're flying across the country or taking a long train ride, it ensures proper alignment, making it an excellent choice for those who suffer from neck pain. It even comes with a Velcro stuff sack and memory foam earplugs for added relaxation. Say goodbye to stiff necks and hello to restful sleep on the go. And there you have it, the top 5 best travel pillows to help you stay comfortable and well-rested during your journeys. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.